Good morning, welcome to 2 and 2 on Wednesday the 24th of September. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and yesterday we're just sitting inside Friday's data. We haven't managed to really move outside of it at the moment, and it's just sort of very range bound where we are, making it quite sort of iffy in terms of looking for direction now, because as I say, just chopping. From where we are at the moment, it's looking in the short term here, looking relatively bearish. Could easily head further south towards the lows. Looking from an hourly point of view, one thing we haven't yet done is hit the daily pivot at 28.64 sort of area. But it looks like we're just about to break this trend line. If we were to break this trend line, I would expect some further downside, maybe a test of some lows. We're pretty close on this trend line to yesterday's low, so it may just have a little break test. As yesterday's low, that was this Asian session lows this morning actually. May come back and test those again, and with the daily pivot again above us, there's a reasonable probability we could get back up there. However, any continuation may see us run through to Monday's lows. Okay, there's not a lot else from that. As I say, it is quite tricky when it's been a couple of inside days effectively, or we're travelling with inside days. Looking at the pound dollar, the same picture in terms of the inside on Friday's range. We've on Monday we had a bullish harami. We've kicked up from that yesterday a little bit and ended up towards the more positive side of things. It has, it's quite a mess really, looking for the daily pivots below us, so there is the possibility that we've got this sort of little trend I've drawn across here, could continue to the downside, and we could run down to the round about 163.69.70 area, somewhere in that region. So that could set the trend for this morning on the pound, coming back quite a big way there. Okay, on any chance of an upside, a break to the upside, well, the 200 still make a 4 hourly 200 may come back into play. I know it's been tested, but it may, because the gap, the time between it may just come back into play for a second attempt. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.